Hi guys, it's Michelle the Stamp Booker, and I am here today to share a layout I have been working on for Keep It Simple Papercrafts. This is the Penguin Party collection, and I do have an unboxing video a few weeks ago if you want to go back and see that. There was so much product that they sent me. I haven't, it kind of, it kind of made it hard for me to decide what I wanted to do. There were so many fun things. Y'all, there's the stencil. It's like a stencil set. Let me show you where I practiced. So it has circles, and then it has these little dots, and then it has snowflakes, and I was practicing my snowflakes with stickles and also these Nuvo drops. These are called sliver crystals. And then I completely forgot that I was going to try, where is it? Okay, y'all, my desk is a mess. It's the, I think the true, this is what a true, the desk of a true creator, I think. Oh, here it is. I forgot I wanted to try these, the stickles, to put through that. In the end, I don't think I'm going to use it. I also have these two wonderful stamp sets, and all I did was use the snowflakes. There's 3 different sizes, and then there's the 3 sizes of the dies, and so that was nice. I did find some cardstock that matched, and so I matted this, and the white is cut at 10 3/4 square, and then the green is cut at 11. I made a shaker pocket. This was a die cut embellishment, and I just thought it was perfect. So I ran the sheet of acetate, or this little piece of acetate, through my die cutter with a really old polka dot embossing folder. I just thought it might give it a little bit of fun texture, and then I did stamp the background with a purple ink, and then kind of that green, and then I filled it with these sprinkles. Are they not cute? They're little clay shapes, and they're little snowflakes and white and blue and little penguins, and then there's also little white circles. So I just popped it up on some foam tape. My foam tape was kind of low profile, so I doubled it up so that they'd have room to shake. So I think that turned out cute. And then I took a photo of myself, and I matted it like 4 times. It was a 3x4. I cut it down 1/4 inch on each side so I could mat it with white. And then I have inked the edges with my purple ink. And then I think I might need to ink the edges of these tags. Yes. I put the title up on some dimension, and I haven't decided exactly where it should go. If perhaps it should go on a tag. Now this tag, I actually didn't even bother the bottom part because I knew I was going to be tucking it in. But now I'm kind of wondering, does it need... No, I don't like the green on the green. So I just don't want to feel like my title is floating. Okay, and also I took these 3 papers from the 6x9 collection, and I cut them down to 4x4, inked the edges, and then I actually created this one with the 6x6 background stamp called Swirly Swirls. And I put it in my Misty since I do not have an acrylic block this large. Let's see. I went through and kind of sorted what embellishments I might use, and some and then there's others that I knew I wouldn't use. A lot of these will make wonderful cards. When you look at the titles, the ones I pulled out though, I pulled out Snow Fun, Chillin', Igloo, Sweet Igloo, Smile, Winter, Chilly, Freeze, Frozen, Frosty. And then there's others that are like Happy Birthday and From Me to You, things like that. Now I would show it to you, but I do have it in the video and my desk is a mess. So what I need to do is I need to ink the edges of these two tags, and then let's see, I did ink the green, I just didn't ink the purple, so I'll ink that too. And then I'm just going to make some embellishment clusters, and so I will be back probably with the completed layout. Not a true process video, but it's just taken me a lot of thought to figure out what I wanted to do. So hang on and I'll be back. All right, I am back. Let's see. So what I ended up doing is I thought that title over here kind of looked like it was floating. So I ended up putting it here on some dimension, and I put it on top of those tags. Now I spent some time stamping. There's 3 stamps. I apologize. There's 3 snowflake stamp sets in this collection, 2 on one and then 1 more. And so they all have little dies. So there are 3 of them, one like this, and one like this. So I did all that. I inked the edges. I put a little bit of this Crystal Nouveau drop. It's funny, it turns purple on these purple stamped ones. And then I have 2 sizes of snowflake punches, a larger one and a smaller one. So I did punch out some snowflakes. I see I didn't get as many on here as I thought I did. There's one here, here, but only 2 here. Anyway, and then I took the stencil that comes with the kit, and I used a Ranger like glitter gel, and I put a few snowflakes on here. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but hopefully you'll see that in the close-ups. I added this little cluster of penguins sitting on the little ice block. It was just too cute not to, and they were a little size. And so the collection comes with even bigger penguins, but I used the smaller ones. And even though I didn't want to cover up the penguins here, I felt like this was a good place to put some journaling. So I just printed it out on from my computer in Pages, and I do like the 1.5 instead of single space, and not double space, it's like half of that, and so that makes it really easy to cut. And I think I made it like 12 font. I put the little penguins here up on some not fun foam, on dimension, and then I think I even added these snowflakes from the sprinkles. I added them even after I took the photos. So it's one of those that I just kind of keep fiddling with. I had a lot of fun with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you'll give keep it simple. Go check them out. They have some really cute stuff, and if you use my code of STAMPBOOKER, you get 10% off your order. So that's cool, right? Who doesn't love a discount? So if you have any questions, pop them down below and let me know what you think. Give us a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.